Hello students, this is Poonam Bhatti from Little Angel School. I am your computer teacher. As you know right now? Yes. Students, welcome back to the video classes. Make sure that you have your textbook with you with all the time while attending the class. So students, please take next 5 seconds to keep your book ready. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Students, I hope you all are ready. Yes, I know you are all are ready. Okay students, let's get started. Today we are going to cover the exercise of your chapter 2. We are already covered the we are already covered the chapter 2 in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to cover the exercise. Okay, this is the exercise time. So let's get start with the exercise. Okay, so this is your chapter 2. Chapter 2 is parts of computer. Okay, and your textbook has covered the exercise in the page number 17, page number 20, page number 23, page number 24, page number 25, page number 26 and page number 27. So let's start the exercise with the page number 17. Okay students. So students, this is the page number 17 exercise in which one question are arise, that is the think and answer. Okay, so you just answer in one word. Okay, the question is there. First question is keys used to type letter and numbers. Which key used to type letter and number? Yes, alphanumeric keys. Answer is alphanumeric keys. The second is key used to type from a new line. Okay, key used to type from a new line. The answer is enter key. The answer is enter key. Keys used to add punctuation mark. The answer is symbolic key. Okay, key pressed with the other key to change their output. Okay, so answer is modify key. And the last is key used to move the cursor around in a document. So answer is navigation key. So students, I just verbally tell you the answer of this question. Now I will show the answer of this question in the next slide. So let's start with the answer of. These are the answer of the previous slides. That is the page number 17. Okay, so key used to type letter and numbers, alphanumeric keys, key used to type from a new line, enter key, key used to add punctuation mark, symbol key, key pressed with the other key to change their output, modifier key, and key used to move the cursor around in a document, that is the navigation key. Okay, so this is the answer of page number 17. Okay student, let's start the page number 20. So student, in this slide the page number 20 are arise. Okay, in the page number 20 the question is complete the crossword puzzle with the help of given clue, and these clue are given are there. Okay, this one is the clue. With the help of these clues you have to complete these crosswords. Okay, so students, let's start with these clues. First is there. Student, first is there and first is here. A part of computer inside CPU that store data permanently. A part of computer inside CPU that store data permanently. So answer is hard disk. Answer is hard disk. Here answer is hard disk. Now the second, down, an input device used to type text or numbers. So answer is keyboard. You used keyboard to type text and numbers. So answer is keyboard. Top to down. Third part. Where is third part? Here. Okay, this one. A device that connects one computer to other through the internet. So answer is modem. Answer is modem. So let's start the fourth. Where is this one? Okay, so fourth is a device used to take printouts of our work on paper. So answer is printer. Answer is printer. So printer is mention here. Okay, fifth, across. So fifth, a part inside the CPU that connects all other parts of the CPU, that is called the motherboard. That is called the motherboard, this one. Now sixth, an output device that has a screen. Sixth one is here. Okay, sixth one is across here. Okay, an output device that has a screen. Monitor. Answer is monitor. Answer is monitor. 7, answer is monitor. Okay, students, ठीक है, answer is monitor. Now 7th is an input device that consists of 2 buttons. This one. Then input device that consists of 2 buttons. This one. 7th. Which contain 2 buttons? Mouse. Mouse contain 2 buttons, left and right. So mouse contain 2 buttons, left and right. That is the answer is here. Okay. Now last is 8th part. A part of processor that controls the transfer of information from one part of the processor to the other part. So answer is here, control unit. Okay, so I will show these answer in written form in the next slides. So answer is, so student, in this slide the answer is here of the previous slide, that is the page number 20. So first is hard disk, second is keyboard, third is modem, fourth is printer, fifth is motherboard, sixth is monitor, seventh is mouse, eighth is control. So this will be the answer of page number 20. Got it, students? Okay. So come in page number 23. And this is the student, this is the exercise of your page number 23rd. Okay, 23rd exercise, page number 23rd. So in this exercise you have to match the column A to column B. Okay, so first is software. You have to match the software with the column B. Answer is program we use on a computer. So this one, software is a program we use on a computer. Now second is Windows 10. Windows 10 is a system software. MS Word. MS Word is a word processing software. MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet software, and MS Access is a database software. So it is the verbally answer of your page number 20. Now I will show these answer in the next slides. Okay, students. Now this was the answer of page number 23. This will be the answer of page number 23. Okay. So students, this is enough for today class. Now next exercise, that is the page number 24 and 25 exercise, we will cover in the next video. Okay, students. So thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye, students.